Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the thumbnail on Vimeo. First, open your web browser and go to vimeo.com. Then choose a video from your recent project or go to library and choose a video from your library. Let's choose this one for example. Click on it. And now you are on the video interface. Scroll down a little bit until you find the thumbnail section. Click on Add Thumbnail. Here you have several options to choose from. You can select a frame from your video, or you can upload a custom thumbnail from your computer by clicking Upload Thumbnail. And to select a frame from your video, use the slider to find your desired frame. Let's choose this one for example. Just click on Select this frame. And as you can see, your frame is added as a thumbnail. Just click on it so that you can choose it as the main. The other option is to upload a custom thumbnail. Click on Upload Thumbnail and choose your desired picture. Let's choose this one for example. And okay, we have to delete one first. Let's delete this one. Then let's do the same steps. And yes, there we go. And click on it so that you can set it as your thumbnail. And that's it. Now you have added two thumbnails. You can choose anyone you like. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.